So if you are subscribed to our newsletter, you will know that our download section have had a complete makeover. We've got so many fresh new downloads to use. They are compatible with Cricut machines, Silhouette, Brother Scan and Cut, so every cutting machine you can use all the downloads. So with the downloads, they come in SVG files, PNG files, yeah, basically all the cutting files that you'd need to use to cut vinyl. You can use it for sublimation, all that good stuff. So for this craft, I used the copper shade of the HappyVinyl in gloss. This is really great self-adhesive vinyl, so this goes on really easy onto glass jars, anything with a hard surface really. So this is the one that I have made using our brand new download labels. So as you can see, this is the sugar label. These jars are quite small and fiddly, but it came out pretty well. So on the downloadable pantry labels, you will also see there's an option to have a border on the outside. So that's really easy to do if you have your cutting machine, as I say, like a Cricut or a Silhouette. You can just create 2 layers, and I think that would be really lovely to have a little border on the back. So now we've got our sugar bowl. I think it's going to be really cute to do a lovely little coffee jar. This would be really lovely if you put like a little straw in the top. I was hoping these jars would be a little bit bigger, but I mean, you get the idea. I think this would be really cute for something like orange juice, just to keep everything looking lovely in your fridge and everything organised. Okay, so now I've got my download imported into Silhouette Studio. That's the software I'm going to use today. I am using the Silhouette Cameo 4. As I say, you can use any cutting machine. All these files are completely compatible with Cricut, Brother Scan and Cut, any cutting machine. You can also, another really good thing if you don't have a cutting machine is to trace the shapes if you've got one of those rotary cutters. So the great thing about Silhouette Studio is you can see all of these grids here. So these all correspond with the cutting mat. So I'm just going to sort of measure how big I want it on my coffee cup. So now I've got my design all lined up with the grid. I'm going to load up my vinyl and send it to the Silhouette. Okay, so now it's all cut. I can cut out the shape from the vinyl. I've got all my tools ready. I've got my Happy Weeder and my Happy Squeegee. They're just going to help to apply the self-adhesive vinyl onto the jar. best bit. So satisfying. I think it's always easiest to just peel up the edge, and it should peel very easily. I'm just going to get those little bits in the corners. Okay, so it should look something like this. So as you'll see, I have begun to stick down the vinyl. You just want to go over it with your squeegee tool. Sometimes on the curved angle, it can be easier to make some little cuts in here just to allow it to adhere to the curved shape. But I think in this case, it seems to have stuck down pretty well. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this tutorial really helpful. I'm gonna go and label absolutely everything in my house now, so I hope you are too. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you go and sign up to our online newsletter, and you will get all of these downloads for free, and we will be launching some more later on in the month, so definitely stay tuned. Thanks guys, bye!